Hi, welcome back. So this is the second episode in a series of videos that we're going to be putting out about Samsung SmartThings. If you saw the first video, we unboxed Samsung SmartThings, and so you'll know that this is the hub, and tucked away in here are the first few things that we're going to be playing with. So we'll be coming back to those in some later videos and actually seeing how we can use them around the house. The first thing that you need to do to set SmartThings up is actually to get the app, so we can set the hub away for a second, and you're going to need a Android or iOS phone or tablet. In this case I've got Android, and you're going to go and look in the Google Play Store and find this app, or you can go and look in the iTunes Store, of course, and you should find an equivalent app there. You'll see I've already downloaded it, but what you're looking for, if you scroll down, you'll see the pictures, and these show some of the functions of the actual app itself once we get going. So that all looks quite interesting. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Because it's a cloud-based system, you are going to need to register and set up an account, and this is why before we even plug the hub in, we need to get the account running. So we're going to go and sign in, sign up. And put in an email address. Okay, and that should create an account for us. The next thing it's going to ask about is region. So it's going to give you the options of US or Canada, United Kingdom or Ireland. Now, this is an important thing to note, that is Z-Wave, which SmartThings uses, runs on different frequencies in North America and in Europe. So something to note is, if you're going to go and try and buy something cheap off of Amazon.com from the States to work with your SmartThings in the UK, it's probably not going to work, because it'll be running on a completely different frequency from the kit that you need over here with the UK hub. But we're going to go ahead and select United Kingdom and then press next. And the next thing it wants is the welcome code. So from the pack, as you'll remember from our unboxing, tucked away under here are a set of manuals, and on the front cover of the set of manuals, just here, you're going to see it says welcome code. Obviously I've covered mine up, and there's a series of digits here. You're going to type those digits in, and then there you go, you're going to be able to actually set up your account. I'm going to go ahead and pause this for a second, and then I'm going to put my codes in and be back to you in just a second. Right, so we're back. So we've put in our code, and straight away it shows you a picture of the hub and a few other things, and tells you that they're going to walk you through the setup step by step. So we shall try with connect your hub. We're going to press next, and it says connect the hub using the included power and network cables. So obviously it does say that the hub's wireless. It's not really wireless, because it does need at least two cables, which are power and network. It's going to use the network to connect to your router and out onto the internet. But all the sensors and all the things will actually connect to it wirelessly. So here we go with the hub. First of all, we've got the power cable, which is a bit stiff, and then we've got the network lead. I think the best bit here is it actually shows video, and probably slightly slicker video than my connecting the leads. So it will actually walk you through properly step by step. Okay, so what I now need to do is actually take this out and plug it into my router. So I've just connected it and you can see I'm getting some blue lights there, and that means it's now gone out onto the internet, and you'll see that I've actually connected it into my router, and it's also connected down onto the floor on the power supply. So what we're now going to do is, looking on the tablet, onto the smart monitor, which we'll be covering in another. I'm going to go connect new device, and this is how we're going to actually come in tomorrow and connect an extra device up. But yeah, so far, here we go, we've finally got back to Connect Your Hub. That was a bit confusing, I've got to say. The app could be a bit clearer. I did touch the screen while I was coming out here and I actually lost this, so it's taken me a while to get back to it. Also, what could be a bit clearer, it says connect the hub, but what it obviously means is connect it to your router, and then tap next. It says please wait, please do not unplug the hub during the process. The screen will confirm when your hub is ready and you are okay to proceed, then tap next. And I guess this is a case of having to wait. Okay, so took about 5 minutes, and eventually the little light at the bottom went green. It was a bit worrying really, because you got a spinny donut and not a lot else going on. The lights basically on the front of the hub go blue, and then once it's connected they change colour to green. So it's now asking me to press next. And that's it, give your home a name, and it gives us a location as well. So tell us where your hub is located so our home monitoring solution knows where you are home. I'm going to leave that as home at the moment. We're not going to choose a picture yet. We're just going to go next. Obviously you can change those yourselves as you're going. Now the hub is up and running, let's connect your things. Tap next. So again, it's walking me straight through step by step. Here are some of our top devices. If you have any of these, follow the instructions below to connect it. And that's where we're going to pause tonight. So tomorrow we'll go in and we'll actually connect up some of these items. Okay, thanks for watching.